So hi guys, today we are going to unbox the Amazon Fire TV stick. This I got it at the Amazon Prime Day sale for the half the price of what it is, and it's the third generation 2021 release. First we get is this, and actually I have two of them, one for another TV in my house and this is for the other one. And first we have this stick. So uh, this needs power to be used. It can be just plugged and just played. Next we have an extender which is quite short, and not I can't figure out how to use this. And then we have the main remote. So this is the main thing what's going to control everything. And after that is this. We get a book for everything, and I don't need this because I have already set up one of it. And then we have the power cable. It's a micro USB cable, which is outdated in today's date. And after that, very hidden is this. These two batteries and the adapter for the cable. So first of all, let's take off all the plastic we have here. So first of all, we take this off. We have to clean this off. So this is the remote, and it's quite shorter than I expected. And then we have to put in the batteries, like uh, like this, and it's nicely made. And we have fit the batteries, and after this we have the Fire TV stick. So here we have it, a big chunk of plastic, and the HDMI port used for the connection, and here's the power port. So this is quite nice and small, not a very big like the MI box, which needs to be set up in any place. You could just hang it on the TV like this, or just put it in. So this is the whole Fire TV stick, and here we have it. The buttons are glowing because it's not set up. The lights keep glowing. When you hold the Alexa button, it turns blue. And first of all, we will talk about the remote. And the features in it are: you can turn on this, and the TV will turn on its own. And this is the second Fire TV stick, which I have ordered, and here it is. We have used the adapter, and here it is. It does work like this, and you can go back, and it has all of the apps that you will need. Like many of the smart TVs have these apps, but this has Geo Cinema, which only selected smart TVs have. And you can download games too, like the Asphalt 8 game, which I have never seen any TV that has it, and Red Ball 4, and this game, and everything like this. And Alexa, like this. Alexa, open YouTube. Here's YouTube. Like, it takes some time, and here we have YouTube. So overall, it is very nice, but the if we get any update in this user interface, then it would be nice, because it's quite slow if we compare it with many other things like MI box and other TVs like it. And here we have these games, like it takes some time for loading like this, and everything else is fine. But if we had it a bit faster, it would be nice. And if we talk about the remotes, then these are the perfect ones. and I have two of them. One is for the other Fire TV stick, and this one is the other one. And it's the third generation, the new remote, and it has like buttons for Prime Video, for Netflix, the apps, and Amazon Music. And the best feature I like is that when you turn on the Fire TV stick, the TV turn on its own, and it kind of connects to the TV, and volume button also connects to the TV, and plus these some of the button are connected to the TV, and you and when you have this remote, you don't need the remote for the TV to control it. It has all the things that a TV remote would have, and this remote is the perfect remote we could have get with the Amazon Fire TV stick. And if we talk about the connection, then I think that connecting this is not an easy thing, because it needs power and it needs to be connected to that, and it's kind of an issue for some people who don't have kind of these ports and everything like that. And we tried to fit that in some of the ports on the side, but that didn't work. I don't know why, but it didn't. So we had to do this, and it's now perfect. In the end, if you have a TV which is not a smart TV, or it can play anything like if it has an HDMI port and it can play any videos, like it does not have YouTube or something built in, then this is the best thing for you to buy. You could buy the MI box or something like that, but those are kind of more expensive than this. So if you need any good alternative for like the MI box or something way cheaper than this, then this is for you. So I hope you guys like the video. Like, subscribe, comment, and share, and I'll see you guys in the next video.